And defending champions Christel House started their campaign on a losing note in the opening round of the Portmore Sports Association Primary Schools football competition. In the first game of a doubleheader recently at Portsmouth Primary, they went down 1-0 to Spanish Town, courtesy of Aisha Morris's 16th minute penalty. Christel House also had a goal disallowed for offside.
No, I'm not satisfied with the team playing, but I'm satisfied with the win. I'm looking forward to go to the finals in this championship and see how best we can take it from there.
All right, what went wrong today was in the first half we weren't organized. For the first half we allowed them to play some little cheeky plays on us, and it resulted in a boom ball on our defender and referee called penalty, and that was just a one love.
In the other game on the day, two-time former champions Greater Portmore had a similar 1-0 win over hosts Portsmouth. Tyler Gordon was the difference maker in the 6th minute. The Portmore Sports Association, in the meantime, received sponsorship valued at $300,000 from Torpedo Loan. And with Angels Primary unfortunately withdrawing at the last minute, a total of 16 teams are now taking part in the 4th staging of the competition.
Really in juggling, we're just going to change around some of the zones, so we're going to make some adjustment to the zone. So we should, with 16 teams now, we should have around 6 teams per zone.